What if the computer sitting on your desk right now is quietly sabotaging your photos? Slow previews, laggy brushstrokes, that spinning wheel in Lightroom that just won't stop. It's not your editing skills, it's your hardware. When your machine can't keep up, your creativity slows down with it. So today I'm counting down 5 desktop computers that actually keep pace with serious photo editing. From smart budget options to flat-out powerhouses. Let's get into it. Number 5. Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO. This proves you don't need Apple branding to get a clean, capable editing setup. It's an all-in-one. Computer built into the display, no bulky tower, minimal desk clutter. The 27-inch IPS screen offers solid color consistency for everyday retouching. Photoshop runs smoothly for typical workloads. And the price? Significantly lower than an iMac. Now, RAM and storage are more limited than premium machines, and the CPU won't break speed records. But for photographers who want a stylish, functional workspace without draining the bank account, this delivers real value. Number 4. Geekom A6 Mini PC. This thing is tiny. Like, jacket pocket tiny. But don't underestimate it. Inside is an 8-core processor with enough RAM to handle high-resolution RAW files without choking. Port selection is impressive. USB-C full-size SD card slot. Even bigger machines skip that sometimes. Build quality feels surprisingly premium. The limitation? Heavy, graphics-intensive workloads will push it to its limits. But if you want serious performance without sacrificing desk space, this is a clever, budget-friendly solution. Number 3. Apple iMac 24-inch with M4 chip. If you love simplicity, this is hard to beat. Screen, computer, keyboard, all in one box. The display is stunning. Vibrant colors, sharp detail. Editing feels enjoyable right out of the gate. Everyday Lightroom and Photoshop tasks? Smooth. And the design looks fantastic on a desk. But here's the catch. No upgrades later. What you buy is what you're stuck with. And the 24-inch size might feel small if you're used to bigger monitors. Still, for clean simplicity and strong performance, it's a solid all-rounder. Number 2. Apple Mac Studio with M4 Max. Now we're talking serious muscle. This compact box delivers workstation-level power. Lightroom feels instant. Files open faster. Exports fly. Filters apply without hesitation. You can edit photos while rendering video and it barely flinches. All in a small footprint that doesn't dominate your desk. The downside? Price climbs quickly once you spec it out. And you can't upgrade later. But for professionals who need consistent, high-end performance, this is an absolute beast. And number 1. Apple Mac Mini with M4 Pro. For most photographers, this is the sweet spot. Compact, powerful, reasonably priced. It handles RAW files, heavy Photoshop layers, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. It's nearly silent. Perfect for quiet home studios. And despite the small size, you still get strong port selection. Yes, you'll need your own monitor and peripherals, but dollar for dollar, nothing here balances price, performance, and desk-friendly design quite this well. That's why it takes the top spot. So that's the countdown. 5 desktops that work with your creativity instead of against it. Are you upgrading for speed, color accuracy, or full pro-level power? Drop your pick in the comments. And if this helped you edit smarter, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns that actually improve your workflow.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.